Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. I've opened another Etsy store for just the digital stickers. So I do still have some listed under Periwinkle Planner Co., but I'm gradually moving them over to the new store. And the new store's name is Sage Sticker Co., kind of along the lines of Periwinkle Planner Co. Now I think the name may have been taken that the store is actually named Sage Sticker Company. I'll have a link down in the description. I'll put one right here on the screen and check it out. So I wanted to quick show you the Erin Condren A5 Compact Vertical sticker offerings for March. And these are all digital format, so you will get the PNG file, and you can bring that into Cricut and print it out from Cricut, have Cricut cut it. It's actually simple enough that you could hand cut it too if you'd like. It's just boxes. The circles might be a little more difficult to cut. Just a little bit of fussy cutting if you don't have a Cricut machine, but it's still possible. So this is what I have designed for the first week in March. And then the second week for St. Patrick's Day. The third week is these really cute plants. And they all kind of have a green theme with them for March. And then this one, it's for the last week in March, which is part of April also, but it does come with a second file that just says March in case you don't want it to say March into April, or if you'd like to use it for a different week in March, you could do that too. So this is the last one. So again, these are the 4, along with the month of March that I have already shown. These are the 4 that are offered for March. And look for another intro video for April. Those ones are up, and then I think I've even started part of May. So come take a visit to the new store. It's Sage Sticker Company. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.